Grill gloves are essential for any outdoor cook. There are many products available to choose grill gloves, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best grill gloves from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Quinn Barbecue Gloves. Quinn barbecue gloves are made of premium triple material consisting of silicone strips, ultra-high-strength aramid fiber, and polyester cotton. The gloves are lightweight, flexible, and heat-resistant up to 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-slip silicone design ensures that objects won't slip out of your hands. These gloves are multi-purpose and great for grilling, cooking, baking, and more. They are easy to clean and store with a hook design and are machine washable or hand washable. Number 2. Hammater Barbecue Grill Gloves Heat Resistant. Protect your hands from high temperatures up to 1472 degrees Fahrenheit with these heat-resistant barbecue gloves. Made of 3 layers of high-quality materials, they are perfect for grilling, cooking, baking, and more. The gloves are designed with comfort and breathability in mind, so you never have to worry about stickiness caused by sweating. The long-sleeve design provides upgraded protection for your wrists, and the gloves are easy to clean and store. They also make a great gift for foodies. Number 3. Repica Heat-Resistant Barbecue Grill Gloves. The Repica barbecue gloves are designed with insulated textured palm non-slip 5-finger design for managing wet or greasy meat in your smoker or barbecue. Made with food-grade neoprene rubber, they are water, fire, and stain-resistant. The double-layer soft cotton liner provides comfortable fitting and heat insulation, and the gloves fit loosely so your hands stay cool while tending to your barbecue or smoker. The gloves are easy to clean and can handle boiling water or steam. With a 14-inch length sleeve, they offer hand and forearm protection for all kinds of activities, including brewing beer and frying turkeys. Number 4. Barbecue Fireproof Gloves. Introducing the DKH DBD Fireproof Gloves, the ultimate kitchen accessory for all your grilling and cooking needs. These gloves are made with a premium triple material design, consisting of a non-slip silicone layer for a secure grip, ultra-high-strength aramid fiber for heat resistance, and a breathable inner knitting layer for added comfort. With enhanced heat resistance up to 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit, these gloves provide superior protection while handling hot objects, making them perfect for grilling, cooking, baking, and more. The 14-inch large size ensures maximum coverage for your hands, wrist, and arm, while the easy-to-wear design allows for quick and convenient use. Plus, the gloves are easy to clean and store, with a hanging strip for drying after machine washing. Get the DKH DBD Fireproof Gloves and enjoy worry-free cooking and grilling. Number 5. 932 degrees Fahrenheit Extreme Heat-Resistant Gloves. The 932 degrees Fahrenheit heat-resistant grill gloves are designed to better protect fingers, hands, and wrists from burns, with a length of 14 inches. These gloves are heat-resistant up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius, making them perfect for use with barbecues, campfires, fireplaces, charcoal, and gas grills. The double-layer soft cotton liner provides maximum comfort and insulation from heat, while the non-slip neoprene coating allows for easy handling of wet or greasy items. The gloves are easy to clean and store, and the 14-inch length sleeve protects the arms as well as the hands.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.